Hey everybody, what's up? Thomas here, and today it's just gonna be mostly just cleaning. I'm gonna clean all the carpet and stuff that I pulled out of my car. It's just right there. And yeah, so what we got for today is we got here some spot shot and some Hoover deep stain remover for carpets. So yeah, so I'm gonna try both of these things out. There's a bunch of stains, as you can see, and then also in the background there we've got the carpet cleaner, and we're going to use that as well. So we're going to start by using the stain removers on the big stains, and then we'll hit the rest of it with the carpet cleaner after. And that's kind of the plan. So yeah, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, so I read the instructions, and basically you're just supposed to spray these on the stain, wait for a minute, and then just dab it with the cloth or whatever, and hopefully it should come right off. So we're going to use the Hoover deep stain remover on this side, the red side. We're going to use the spot shot on the right side, and then we can compare the results and see which one's better at the same time, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, well, I've cleaned up. I've ran out of both the stuff, so it's it's empty now. So let's take a gander at which one did better. I think they both worked pretty well, actually. Like this one, I think kind of spread out a bit more. That one worked pretty well. Like it was good. It cleaned a lot of those deep stains out of the left side there. Like there's a lot of rust stains in that piece there. Now they're pretty much gone. This other side, the stains aren't quite as gone, but I think that's because this is takes a bit longer to penetrate. So I'll hit it again in a minute. Then yes, unfortunately the cans, either I used it too much or there's not very much in them, because they're both empty now and I didn't really get the whole thing done. So yeah. So aside from that, we're gonna hit it with the carpet cleaner now. So let me go get that and then we'll be good to go. Alrighty, so the carpet cleaner is ready to go, so let's get right to it. Alrighty, so now we're gonna start with the small parts here, and then we'll get on with the seats.